Hey guys, so this is my second tutorial of the night, and it's because I feel like these ones are really easy. So if you have gone to a club or something like that and they have done the wobble dance, I'm going to help you not be that awkward person, right? So this is the wobble, and it is also very basic. It's like the boot, scoot, and boogie. You start forward and eventually you move to the side, and then you repeat and do it to the back and repeat and do it to the side, and then you just kind of do a circle, and it's just really fun when you get out on the dance floor with a bunch of people and you just go for it and have a blast, right? So let's get to teaching. This one's so basic, it's so easy. Okay, so doing a wobble is just like, you don't have to look a specific way. You could do it down, and basically I'm going to be shaking my arms, or you could lean back and shake your arms, or you could do it up and shake your arms. You're wobbling, right? Wobble, wobble, wobble. Okay, so just keep that in mind. You can open your hands, wobble, or you can keep them fisted. Nobody's going to judge you, I promise, on however you decide to place your fingers or your arms. So when you do it first, you jump forward, and then you wobble. So wobble, baby, wobble, baby, wobble, baby, wah. Then you jump backwards. Wobble, baby, wobble, baby, wobble, baby, wah. Then you look to the side like, what? Right? You're sitting in that hip, and you're going to go, oh, wobble, baby, wobble, baby. So you can go up to the front, look whatever way you want. Be hot, right? Wobble, baby, wobble, baby, wobble, baby, wah. And then if you want, flick that hair. Whoo, do the other side. Wobble, baby, wobble, baby, wobble, baby, wah. Okay, then the next part is probably the hardest part of the whole thing. You can't do a cha-cha. You can do it simple. You can go simple side right here. Right, left, right, left. Left, right, left, right. Okay, and all you're doing is leading with your hips. So you go ba, ba, back, back. So if you look at me to the side, I'm going forward, forward, back, back, forward, forward, back, back. So, but the only thing that you do is you switch your feet. So you start right, 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 left, 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 right, left, right. Okay? If you want to make it a little harder and add the little cha-cha, you go left, right, step, skip, skip. So you're going, or I totally said left, I meant right. Right, left, right, left, and right. Okay, so bump, bump, bump. Right, left, right, and. So 1, 2, gotta, and a left, right, and a gotta. You just kind of skip with it, and it's just kind of like, I hope I'm helping. This is just a skip, so boom, bum, bum. So I step on that, and I jump. That's like the hardest thing of this whole routine, okay? So 1, 2, 3, and 4, slip side, boom, ga. Okay, and then all I'm doing is shuffling, like I'm swaying my hips, like right, left, but I'm rotating. So 1, 2, and I can go slow, I can go ha, or I can go fast. Wah, ha, wah, ha, wah, ha, ha. Sorry, I'm a total beatboxer when I teach. Okay, so you can do whatever you want. So putting it all together, super easy. You go forward, da, 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 and back, da, 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 da. I like to drop sometimes, so I'm like, wow. Okay, then you go to the side, boom, to the side, and boom, to the side. And then you go 1, 2, ha, ha, or 1, 2, simple, rock and rock it out and jam it to the side. And you jump, ba, da, 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 and a back, da, 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 and a side, da, 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 to the other side, da, 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 and a ba, simple or hard, da, ba, da, 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 and a 1, and a 2, and a ba, ba, ba. I'm jamming for a second for the ba, da, 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 ba, da, 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 da. To the side, to the side, to the side, to the side, to the other side, da, 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 da. And then I do the legs, 2, 3, boom, 2. Sorry, I totally did the wrong foot. Boom. It's okay. Keep it going, even if you mess up. And go hop. Da, 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 and a back. Da, 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 and a side. Da, 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 and a side. Da, 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 and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and left, right, left, da, da, and a rock, and a rock, and a da, 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 right? We're going to do whatever you want, and you just kind of freestyle, and it's just really fun and simple. And if you feel like I went way too fast, I figured that pause button comes really good and handy. So make sure you like and subscribe. And please, 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 comment on the bottom. Tell me what other tutorials that would be helpful. If you want to do club dancing, real dancing. By real dancing, I mean like choreography. Like contemporary, jazz, hip-hop. Go check out my channel. Go see what you like. Go see what I can make for you. I need tips. I need advice. I need people to tell me what to make. So, please, 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 tell me, and I will help you help me get better. Yes? Happy dancing. Goodbye.